Hello. It's your boy Eastern Nature. We out here. Hello and welcome to the Woolastook River. We out here in Fredericton, New Brunswick, getting a bit of a paddle on. It's a hot day. The humidex up into the 40, I think. We're just gonna tack up the coast here a little bit. Hopefully the signal stays good. And let's see. Here's the view. Yo, what's up, Bootstrap? What's up? What's that, Jav? Jay? I see you guys. Welcome to the stream, humans. So this is my first stream, and I'm just tacking around the river here. I've got to be to work in an hour, and I wanted to test the live streaming feature. So you guys are joining me on the Woolastook River. Where am I? I am in New Brunswick, Fredericton, New Brunswick. So on the east coast of Canada. What do I post? I post, I've got a couple of videos, like long form videos. I'm like kind of bad at editing. I'm still learning. Mostly shorts, a lot of like ASMR shorts. I put some music in it sometimes. I'm working on the river this summer, so a lot of it's like stuff that I see at work, just nature stuff, stuff from years past on the river, in the watershed here, and yeah. I'm gonna flip the camera around and give you guys a better view of just what we're looking at. So if the eagle's here, it would be around here. So yeah, up in these trees here, there is an eagle's nest. When did I get my kayak? I got my first kayak probably in like 2019. I've been paddling since I was a boy, but I got my first kayak in like 2019, 2020. And then I got this kayak probably 3 or 4 years ago now. And yeah, I didn't think I'd like kayaking as much as I do, but I really, really, really quite do. Yeah, so if you're just joining, welcome to, Eastern Nature. We out here on the Woolastook River, the St. John River in Fredericton, New Brunswick. And I am paddling to work. I'm just kind of chilling in the islands, west of Fredericton right now, and just taking in the sights. We got some people fishing over here. Oh, fuck. I think they got something on the line. Gotta get off though. There's some big fish out here. Yeah, well, New Brunswick's kind of like the top part of the Appalachian Mountains, along with like Labrador and parts of Cape Breton. And yeah, no, it's a very interesting geological and geographic history of this area, as well as cultural and natural history of this area. The quick rundown on Fredericton is, well, obviously, First Nations, Indigenous people have lived here for thousands of years. But with regards to European civilization and settling and colonization, the French were the first in the Fredericton area, building Fort Nashwauk in the 1690s, I believe. And that served as the capital of French North America, Acadia, until the expulsion of the Acadians by the British in the 1700s. And yeah, after the expulsion of the Acadians, it was a rough situation that went on there. You know, the Industrial Revolution kind of fell into Canada as time went on. Yeah. God, those are some big birds. He's right up there somewhere. Yeah, I think that's a nest there. Are we thinking that's a nest? That kind of seems like a nest to me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for either watching this VOD or if you checked it out live. It's very much appreciated. We're almost back at work. That is just about gonna do it. We're getting back in off the water. All right, thank you for tuning in, and have a great day.